Hi everyone, and welcome to my channel. I am Brandy, aka Mama Vapes and Diamond Paints. Today I'm going to do a quick unboxing. I'm going to put the box upside down because my address remover thing or cover upper, I don't know what it's called, this thing to run over the address is not covering it up good enough, and I don't want her address shown and I don't want my address shown, so we're gonna just open it upside down. And I'm really excited. I'm gonna move my camera just a little bit. So I'm really excited about this package, and I'll show you why when I open it. I know I'm bouncing my camera, sorry guys. I know. This thing is taped up really well. So, like I said, it is upside down, so you guys can see it's wrapped very nicely with pink and light pink tissue paper, which is super cute. And, oh, I got a koozie. Some people should use a glue stick instead of chapstick, and I love that. That is amazing. I could think of some people who definitely should, for sure. And then I got my Mama Vapes and Diamond Paints cup, and it is Coffee Bean Nation. And I absolutely love that. It's really cool. These are my favorite cups to drink out of. The like tumblers, I call them adult sippies, I have forever and ever because, well, we all need an adult sippy. And then I have a card addressed to me that I am so excited about. Like really excited about, and I'll tell you why in a minute. That's a cute little sticker on the tape that says thank you. I know I'm making a lot of noise, I'm sorry. All the tissue paper is cute colors. And then I got this t-shirt that I'm super excited about, and it says keep calm and vape on in this really pretty glittery vinyl for the t-shirts, like the iron-on vinyls, and it is Miss Coffee Bean Nation with a little diamond and a coffee bean. That is really cute. And on the back of this one it says Mama Vapes and Diamond Paints, and these are all from Mrs. Coffee, and I am so stinking excited to get some of her stuff that she has made with her Cricut. And I just have I can't even tell you how much I have enjoyed making a friendship with her and her family and everything else, and that's one of the reasons why I'm so excited about this card, because she made me this pop-up card, which is it's so adorable, and it says you are woolly nice, and it's this little, and it says thank you. How cute is that? Thank you for the stickers, and Maggie signed it. And you guys, I am so excited for Maggie. I want to eat her alive. This is really cute. Miss Coffee, you're gonna have to show me how you did this. I've had a Cricut for years. I've never even attempted this, so that's why I was extremely excited about the card, because Maggie signed it, and that just meant a ton to me. And yeah, so I got my tumbler, and I'm like I said, I drink out of these consistently because I'm clumsy and I spill everything, so these are my thing. And I love the gold that she used on that. That's really pretty. So yeah, that was my unboxing that I wanted to do because I just wanted to share with you guys, and I'm really excited to be a tester for her stuff that she made, and I'm excited to rock my shirt because it's really cute, and this is adorable. I just love that. And Maggie, I love my cards so much. Thank you. all of you guys. You have a great day, and thank everybody else here for watching. I really appreciate it. If you haven't already, think about subscribing and hitting the bell icon to be notified anytime I post a new video. Bye guys.